Welcome everyone. Hope you all are doing good. I am Shubham from Henry Harvin Education. Today we have Ms. Samta Singh, who is pursuing MBA from IIM and also a passionate teacher. I would like to welcome you, Samta, and thanks a lot for giving your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Samta, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. So my name is Samta Singh. I have completed my graduation and currently pursuing my post-graduation from 𝐸𝐺𝐻. I'm also a CS aspirant, so I'll be giving my second level this time. Along with that, I have been a passionate teacher for around, 7 years maybe now, and still continuing it. Along with that, writing has been a part of my life for a very long time. I think from class 12 till now, writing has been the most consistent part of my life. And joining Henry Harvin gave me that edge which I was missing. So the technicalities and everything, it's just because of Henry Harvin, I would say.
Okay. So, Samta, may I know your professional background?
Yeah, so like I haven't done any particular job at any company, but I was a freelancer for around 6 years. And along with that, I have been trying to get into freelancing in the writing, maybe like a content writer or a content creator. So this is what I've been doing.
That's really great. Samta, which course you have completed from Henry Harvin Education?
I completed my content writing course. I think after that, I'll be going for creative writing as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your training? Like, how was your experience?
So when I started, frankly, I didn't know like how will I proceed because writing was just putting words into sentences. But when I joined the course, I actually like started to know there are so many things that you need to know before entering into writing a normal content of a 5-minute read. So the classes, when they started, she started telling the minute things, maybe the grammar portion, the headings, the titles, what you need to do, the power rush, all of that. So when I started, it was different, but when I am ending on a different note with so many professional aspects to my writing. The writing has changed and it has taken a 360-degree turn. So I think Henry Harvin has really helped me shape my content, I would say.
That's really great. So, Samta, here I am just cutting this interview. Do you have any achievement after that course? I mean, have you gone for any competition or something like that?
Yeah, I took a competition from D2C. It's an online website where you can go through competitions. A lot of competitions are there. So there was a competition done by 𝐸𝐴𝐺 Delhi. So I was the finalist, top 3. I am yet to receive the certificate. So I
What
was.
type of, I mean, what type of competition is this?
It was an article writing competition in which you were supposed to give your views on Afghanistan turmoil that has been going on.
Okay, fine. So, like, our next question is all about, like, could you please explain about your achievement? So in that case, you'll just have to mention that after doing this course, you went for this competition,
Yeah.
and how it has benefited.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. So fine, let's start again. So Samta, could you please explain about your achievement?
Yeah, so for the internship part, I haven't gone through any internship, but yeah, I have gone through many competitions, I would say. So lately, I entered into a competition with 𝐸𝐴𝐺, whereby you were supposed to write an article on the political turmoil that has been going on. And when I drafted my content for the same, I had like lot many views, but I didn't know how to put it out. But when I went through whatever classes I have been done and whatever notes I put it, so I just applied all the concepts, and that it turned out to be really great. And I was in top 3 among 1,000+ participants. So yes, it has been a great experience.
That's really great. That's really great. Congratulations for that. So, Samta, what is your success month?
So my success mantra for writing has been just, sit and write every day. Okay, don't skip a day without writing, because, you know, saying saying everything requires a back thought, and writing also requires a back thought, I would say. Writing in a week or a month is also fine if you're a new writer, but try to set a fixed time and write it on that particular time. It will make you think, it will train your brain to, sit and write for those 15 minutes. Cut out everything, just sit in silence and write it. If you do not want to write on a particular day, I would say just sit, think like what next you can do, but just stay away from all the external environment that you've been living like throughout your day. So
Wow,
this has been my success mantra.
that's great. So, what will be your advice for our future aspirants?
So my advice will be, first, just discover in what niche you want to enter. Okay, so discovering that requires a lot of reading, lot of going through different blogs. That is first. Second, join a course, because content writing is just not about putting words. It's about, actually trying to convey what you want to say. So there's a huge gap between that. So that course, it may be from Henry Harvin, I would say, because I have taken it from here, so I know the pros and cons of it. To take a course, learn the intricacies, and then move ahead. Because content writing is a step-by-step procedure. You go on, you write like 7, 8 times, and then you get that one perfect paragraph. So just go on, start building up on your vocab, start building up on your grammar, and you are good to go.
Wow, it's really great time we had. Thanks a lot, Samta. All the best for your future.
It was a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.